Zoob, slide across that thing, baby.
Okay. I know how it slides.
Okay. 2 hands. Ready? Throw yourself. Oh. Watch you. Are you going to do... Oh, okay. Hold on. Poosty's the one to do the slide. Okay, I'm ready. Ready? Set. Go. Whee! Keep going. Scoot your booty. Scoot your booty. Slowest slide ever, huh?
Did it.
You did do it. What?
This little thingy, it's got that thing
Mhm.
right there.
Yeah.
And little thingies where you put your eye, so when you look into it, you see the thingy and it's from up there.
Yeah. It's a periscope.